Overnight markets are shaky. Asia and Europe sold off after tech earnings, and US futures are jittery heading into the open. SPY and QQQs are testing pre-market lows after yesterday's mixed close, and the tape could explode the second the bell rings. Palantir sold off hard pre-market after beating earnings. AMD also beat and even raised guidance, still getting dumped. Nvidia's weakness is dragging the whole sector down. We got SPY hovering just below yesterday's support, QQQs flirting with pre-market lows, IWM shows small cap hesitation, early signs of fragility. Volatility is spiking, puts are dominating flows, and the average trader is still leaning long. We got ADP hitting at 8:15 a.m. Eastern, expected modest 25K, but a big surprise either way could flip the market instantly. Strong print could hit tech hard. A miss might fuel a relief rally. Here's the situation. We got three scenarios. We can get a beat, big upside surprise above 50K, yields will spike, tech will get hit, QQQs and mega caps gap lower, sectors under pressure are technology, Nvidia, AMD, Palantir, and so on. My options angle will be considering put debit spreads on SPY or long dated protection on Qs since I'm net long. If we get a miss, dovish flip, yields will fall, growth rallies, SPY gaps up, QQQs try to reclaim levels. My options angle will be call spreads on the breakout after the print, no pre-print entries because of the IV spikes. If we got inline print, which I think we're gonna be range bound. Expect choppiness all day. I'm gonna trade the opening range break. I will not chase impulses. Earnings are the next explosive risk. We got Qualcomm, Robinhood, DoorDash, plus the tech heavyweights. We got Palantir reporting yesterday, AMD reported pre-market, and we got Nvidia reporting on November 19th. Palantir beat but sold off today, 8% pre-market. AMD beat and raised guidance, still dumped. So expected moves are at least 5 to 8% implied. Palantir's pre-market 8% drop is my volatility template. My trade mechanics, I'm going to sell small size call spreads. If bearish, buy put debit spreads after the first confirmed gap. I will not hold naked weeklies. I'm going to focus probably more on SPYs and QQQs, and these are my levels. We got SPY opening around 675. I got resistance at 680, support at 670. If we crack 670 with volume, we're going to drop fast probably toward the 660s. QQQs, we got to open around 619. I got my resistance at 627, support at 618.50. If we break below 618.15, the first 15-30 minutes, candle close under 618.50, I'm going to target 605. My options positioning will be SPY, 675, max pain, QQQs, 620, max pain. My trading bias is if we're above resistance, I'm going to be cautious, bullish. I'm going to use call spreads. If we're going to be below support, aggressive, short bias, I'm going to use put debit spreads. I'm going to manage theta and vega risk in high IV. So if we trade sideways, I'll probably still make money. Multiple event risks today. Obviously, we got ADP, we got an earnings cluster, and we got Fed speeches and more labor data tomorrow and after tomorrow. Do not over leverage. Avoid holding weeklies overnight. Size small. Trade with defined risk. Spreads unless experienced. Like if you want to take naked puts, make sure you got the hard stop loss, whether it's mental or whether you input it on your platform. But just make sure you do that because you're going to get wicked off probably because we got high volatility. VIX is spiking. Anyways, here's my number one setup for the week. I got QQQs put debit spread. Tech leadership week. Put demand is high. If we break below 618.50, rapid move towards 605, I believe. Entry under 618.50, I'm going to buy the weekly 630, 620 put spread or 620, 610 if stronger follow through spread limits, Vega and Theta bleed. My sizing will be 1% of my account. My profit target will be 40 to 50%, probably closer to 80% if we get to 605. If we reclaim 626 on the 30-minute and close above, I'm gonna quit, exit, and run. It's put heavy flows, amplify downside, clear technical breakdowns with defined target, spread reduces premium loss and choppy action. Bottom line is bearish bias. I'ma watch ADP like a hawk. I'ma listen to the earnings if I can. Opportunity on Qs is really nice. We got a volatile week ahead, so size properly. Don't chase. Let the markets show the move first. Smash like if this helped. Pushes this to more traders. Comment below what's your top trade this week. I read every single one. If you're not subscribed, hit that button for weekly deep dives. Trade safe, trade smart. See you out there.